Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, May 2nd. This is my analysis for the pound yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So, anyways, the pound yen definitely did bounce from the 78% like I was talking about yesterday. Definitely did make a pretty decent little break of structure. So we have to keep in mind that this could be an A, this could be a B, and this bounce could be a wave C. There is definitely a possibility now that we are back into the downtrend. Now, I do have a couple of views on the higher time frames. One view is that this is actually just going to go up like this and make a uptrend for a wave C of wave B. My other view is that we definitely don't have a break of structure up yet, and this move up is just a crescent to this move down. We got a 78% fib bounce, so from here it could possibly just keep on going down. Now, how are we going to know the difference on the sort of time frames is probably the question. Now, on the sort of time frames, if it really is going to continue up, then it will make an impulsive down, wave A. It'll make a corrective up, wave B. It'll make an impulsive down, wave C. It'll make a higher low, and then continue the uptrend. That's the bullish outlook. If it's actually the end of a crescent right here, and it really is going to keep going down, then it'll make lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. It'll go down. It'll break structure, which will help confirm that this really is a wave C. And at that point, it would confirm that we need to continue to look for shorts. So I would, if you are trading the sort of time frames, I would recommend shorts, and hopefully you can learn and earn at the same time, whether it makes a three-way pullback and continues up, or whether it makes a very impulsive move down and breaks structure. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.